Starting around 25 WOC 2024 by and large spell really token for the most part is exchanging at $113 in term of its US rate with the value change of 0.7% in especially most recent 60 minutes. Spell sort of has a truly all-out market cap of HANA 134.5 at a 22.34 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,476,222 incredibly. This truly makes by and large spell commonly token spell in every way that really matters, positioning at 417 in the digital currency market, which basically is very critical. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the spell fundamentally token cost expectation end of 2024, what will for the most part spell truly token basically be really worth in 2024 in an especially significant manner? Is especially spell certainly token a wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024? Will truly spell cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they truly thought? These truly are our basically spell commonly token cost expectations for spell's future, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell especially token spell value expectation 2024 as per the spell pretty symbolic estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the spell cost for the most part is supposed to in a real sense cross a by and large normal value level of $0.16, the normal kind of least value worth of explicitly spell truly token toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to be $0.16, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Besides really spell can arrive at an especially greatest value level of $19. Spell value figure WOC 2024. The spell really token conjecture for WOC 2024 expects that the spell may in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $13 with a fundamentally least cost of around $11, which certainly is genuinely huge. Discussing the kind of typical cost, especially spell can in a real sense stretch around $11.12 for spring, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell value gauge April 2024. Concerning April 2024 sort of spell especially token generally is supposed to especially arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.12, or so they explicitly thought. The spell cost could for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.13 with the typical cost around $0.13, exhibiting how by and large spell value gauge April 2024. Concerning April 2024 in every practical sense, spell truly token is supposed to especially arrive at a for the most part least value worth of $0.12, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell value gauge May 2024. With respect to May 2024, by and large spell genuinely token basically is supposed to especially arrive at an extremely least value worth of $13, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. The spell cost could truly arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $14 within every practical sense, normal cost around $13, which truly is genuinely critical. Spell token spell value conjecture June 2024. For June 2024 the cost of for the most part spell, especially token certainly is most certainly anticipated to especially arrive at a truly normal cost of $13, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $15 and a genuinely least of $13 in a huge manner. Spell value gauge July 2024. In July 2024 the cost of truly spell in every practical sense, token by and large is gauged to truly be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $13, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The spell extremely token value worth can explicitly arrive at a sort of limit of $15 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $14 in USD, which certainly is genuinely huge. Spell pretty token. Spell value gauge August 2024. For August 2024 the cost of generally spell pretty token by and large is generally anticipated to basically arrive at a truly normal cost of $114, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.16 and a fundamentally least of $0.14 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Spell in every way that really matters, token spell value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024. Truly spell token cost certainly is conjectured to sort of arrive at a very the least cost of $0.14 in an unpretentious manner. The spell cost could in a real sense arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0.17 with the especially normal expected cost around $0.15, which in a real sense is very huge. Spell value figure October 2024. Concerning October 2024, spell especially token in a real sense is supposed to generally arrive at the very least value worth of $0.015 in an unobtrusive manner. The spell cost could for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.017 with the typical cost around $0.015. Spell value estimate November 2024. The spell really token gauge for November 2024 expects that the spell may fundamentally arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0.18. With an extremely least cost of around $0.015, which generally is very huge. Discussing the fundamentally normal cost for the most part, spell can sort of stretch around $916 for November. Spell value conjecture December 2024. The spell certainly token gauge for December 2024 expects that the spell may arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $119 with a base cost of around $916 in a fundamentally significant manner. Discussing the kind of typical cost in a real sense, spell can in a real sense stretch around $916 for December, so by and large spell value gauge November 2024. The spell truly token conjecture for November 2024 expects that the spell might arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.018 with a truly least cost of around $0.015, which certainly is genuinely huge. Spell in every way that really matters, token by and large past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The spell token's cost truly has shown an especially decent increment of 434% in the especially most recent 24 hours or so, they essentially thought. From truly most recent 7 days, the spell sort of was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 386%, exhibiting that basically spell value gauge December 2024. The spell genuinely token figure for December 2024 expects that the spell may really arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $919 with a very least cost of around $916 in a significant manner. Spell in every practical sense, token in a real sense has shown areas of strength for truly of late, and this could be for the most part great chance to sort of dive right in and truly put resources into a sort of significant way. Spell genuinely token value estimate 2024 facts what will really be truly spell especially token truly worth in 2024. The spell cost is gauged to generally arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $919 with least cost of $916 toward the finish of 2024 in a very significant manner. Does especially spell fundamentally token truly have a future in an unpretentious manner? Concerning cost, truly spell in every practical sense, token explicitly has a remarkable really potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, which essentially is very huge. It especially is estimate that in every practical sense, spell will increment in esteem amazingly. As indicated by truly unambiguous specialists and business experts, spell commonly token can in a real sense hit the practically the most exorbitant cost of $0.0351 till 2030, or so they essentially thought. Is essentially spell commonly token exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spell tokens worth generally is supposed to sort of keep on growing, as lack will in